It's no news that some of the best entertainment content these days is available not on your traditional TV channels, but on online streaming services. These services also give you the freedom to catch up on films and old TV shows at your convenience, making them the entertainment source of choice for many viewers now. In keeping with the development of this vast amount of content, there has also been a rise in the kinds of devices available to access all these services, and one of the most popular by far has been the Chromecast digital media player from Google. The company has followed up the blockbuster success of the first generation of these devices with a new set, which has upped the ante in many ways for its competitors. And we are here to take a quick look at this second generation Chromecast HD media streamer for you.
Here we go!
The Chromecast is a wireless video dongle that streams content from the internet to your TV over a Wi-Fi network, with your Android or Apple phone or tablet, or even your PC, acting as a controller. This small hockey puck-like device, measuring 2 inches in diameter, connects to an HDMI port and hides neatly behind the TV. The power to run it comes from either the USB port on your TV or from the included power adapter connected to a power source. The phone app is amazingly easy to set up and very intuitive to use too, adding to the Chromecast's suitability for all ages. Two notable improvements over the first generation, apart from the slimmer design, are the compatibility with 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, which ensures less interference and more reliable streaming, and support for additional streaming services like Spotify. Amazon is still not supported, but you can always use your PC to stream the channel. Another major advantage of the Chromecast is its versatility. Apart from accessing services like Netflix and YouTube, you can use it to show your presentations on the TV, display your photos, play games, enjoy apps from Apple and Google stores, and do a lot else. One bugbear for a lot of users can be the absence of a conventional remote control, which offers a comforting tactile button-pressing experience. But getting used to operating it via your phone or tablet takes no time at all, and feels completely natural after a while. So, on the whole, the second-generation Chromecast seems like a great device, not just for users who have yet to hop onto the streaming content bandwagon, but also a useful buy for people already using other large media players. The dirt cheap price of the device ensures that you don't mind purchasing it for a quick try, while its eminent portability means you can move it across your house or even travel with it, setting up your personal entertainment system wherever you go. That's it from us for now on the second generation Google Chromecast digital HD media streamer. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our reviews for other internet and media streamers here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.